Hey everyone, this is Jeffrey, the train expert, here for the one last time. We are at the Drakewell Museum in Titusville. Actually, just about outside of Titusville. We should have a 5-1 engine freight train should be heading towards Oil City. Let's check it out. This is probably going to be the last train of the day. Yeah, we had a bunch of cars over at the Perry Street station so they get their tickets ready for tomorrow's train run. And the last train I didn't have any passenger trains yet so far, but hopefully by one of the weekends or maybe next week when we take a look around at the Oil Fest, maybe we'll get one. Because the train rides are going to start from 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock next weekend.
Yeah.
Instead of 11 to 2.
Yeah.
Because we have the speeder runs.
Really?
Yeah, speeder runs are going to be running early, yeah. Oh, excuse me. Oh, there they come. Come on, zoom. There we go. There's the entrance of the Drakewell station right there. There it comes. There's the light. And there he comes right now. Let's film it towards the... Let's zoom